Hey, what's going on? Ruben up back at it again. Another unboxing, guys. Last time you saw me, I did Jiren. The reviews were great on it. The video was amazing on it. And now we're doing another one, guys. Super Saiyan Super Broly, the movie, guys. So I'm excited. He's one of my favorite characters. Last time I did a movie review on the movie, and you guys loved it. So here it is, guys. Super Saiyan Broly, the movie, canon. Let's get it! Guys, another one. Just gotta love Amazon, man. Broly, man. He's one of my favorite characters as well. With Jiren, he's just one of those strong guys that you know, you guys just gotta respect his power. And now that he's in canon, he is absolutely a beast. I can't wait to see what they do with him. So here it is, guys. Let's see how this one looks. See, this one we're not gonna get the Zelda review because he's like right in the front. But I'm excited, guys. Wow, he looks unbelievable, guys. I had this for a couple of days, so I've been waiting to do this video. It's just been so busy, but you know, I finally got to do this video, and whew, he is everything that I wanted, guys. This is amazing. Whoa, man, canon. I have another Broly, but this one, the canon one, man, he looks so surreal. The details amazing on it. Yo, he has the original Saiyan colored hair. He has a Super Saiyan head on it. I'm gonna show you guys in the video later, but you know, I'm just mesmerizing him because I didn't think he was gonna be this big, but he came out really big and really strong, and it's just like original Broly, man. He looks sick, guys. Look at this. Wow, Super Broly. Loving it. I'm loving it, guys. All right, let's get to the opening. So yeah, man, this is another amazing piece. I'm checking it out. Wow. So like I was saying earlier, man, Broly is one of those characters that he's just so legendary. Even when he first came out, look at this, beautiful. Even when he first came out, man, he just, you know, I just got instantly drawn to him. So for them to make it a part of canon is just unbelievable, man. I didn't even know they were gonna make a figurat of it, but hey, you know, kudos to SH for just doing it up and you know, making an amazing piece. Look at this. This is gorgeous, guys. Wow. He has a Super Saiyan here. The little extra spikes on him. His cuts are on point. You can bend his arms, obviously. Gotta check all that out. His legs are good. He has the Saiyan battle armor. He has his little cloth from his animal, his pet that he, you know, fell in love with from the movie. Man, he just looks stunning. He looks amazing, guys. Look at that. He comes with his original, you know, his kid look or whatnot. Got the spiky hair and stuff. Looks so nice, guys. With Broly, he doesn't really need much because he's just such a polarizing character that you know, the figure alone just speaks for himself. He has his grabbing arms. That's all he really comes with the arms that he can grab. You know, the head and the Super Saiyan head, you know. So, you know, as they make him more a part of canon, I'm sure they're gonna build his character more. But you know, this is just Broly right here. This is pretty much the legendary Super Saiyan, man. So he looks amazing, guys. Look at that. This figure. He looks absolutely stunning. I love it. So yeah, guys, there it is. Super Broly. He came out amazing. I love the piece. You know, he's there with the rest of the family. I also got Zamazu. He looks sick as well. I didn't do an unboxing on him because I just got him and I was just anxious to open him. But there it is, man. That's the new stash as it is. They look pretty, they look gorgeous. I'm glad SH is doing it up. They continue making great figures for us collectors, and I'm gonna keep collecting them because these are one of my favorite things to collect. And there it is, guys. That's Super Broly unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that like button and keep following me on these journeys. Keep following me on these unboxings, and just live life, guys. Until next time, I'll see you guys. Deuces, deuces, deuces. I'm out.